Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mrs. O'Hara. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our favourite time of the week. We aren't able to be with you at the moment, but we thought we would do a virtual Wednesday singing assembly so you could enjoy our favourite part of Thackley Primary School's week.
Definitely, yes, 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning isn't Joe Wick's time. No Spider-Man lunges or anything here. No, 9 o'clock on Wednesday is singing assembly time.
Exercising your lungs.
Definitely. So we've got a bit of a challenge for Mrs. Murphy, adding to your technical issues maybe. We haven't got a visualizer for you to deal with. We have got online Zoom fun. So hopefully we've picked one that we already know and we'll see how we get on this week.
Right, let's see whether we can bring it up. Go on, you can carry on talking for a minute, Mrs. O'Hara.
Yeah, so this is a great opportunity for you to open your window, sing really loudly, let all your neighbours hear this song. It's one of our favourites. It's one that we were really getting good at earlier in the half term. So maybe you can teach it to somebody in the house, and then you'll all be singing it.
Right, are we ready? Have you brought your singing voice?
Yes, I brought my singing voice.
Right, let's go.
When you're feeling lonely and you don't know where to turn, hopes and dreams are fading and your bridges start to burn. Just remember when you look, a friend is always near. So let your voice sing out again so everyone can hear. There's a power in the music, there's a spirit in the song. When our voices join together, we are fearless, we are one. And we feel a sense of freedom as it carries us along. There's a power in the music and a spirit in my soul. Sometimes you feel nervous and it's harder time to shine. Lose your sense of purpose, sometimes you stay and try. Then I see you smiling as the music starts to play. You hear the beat resounding and it blows the clouds away. There's a power in the music, there's a spirit in the song. When our voices join together, we are fearless, we are one. And we feel the sense of freedom as it carries us along. There's a power in the music and the spirit
was brilliant.
Ah, fantastic. Well done, everyone.
Guys, well done. I tell you what I can't get used to, Mrs. O'Hara, is you standing on that side. It's not right.
Well, no, we're not ant and deck. We're deck and ant at the
I
moment,
know,
aren't
it's
we?
me next to Mrs. Eversfield's classroom. We'll just have to get used to it over the next few weeks, I think.
Definitely. So we'll see you all again next week for singing assembly, same time, same place.
And if you've got any requests, let us know.
Definitely. Or even better, if you've got a little video clip of you having a go at singing it, you can email it into your class's email address. It'd be great to see you guys all getting involved.
Brilliant.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.